to you. Good morning to you. Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. So I'm here this morning to react on a post made by Rachel Wosu. Rachel Wosu made a post, and that post is is okay. She just appreciated Mike Arnold. Remember, in some time ago, this lady went to Israeli parliament to table Biafra issue, and she had been pushing, doing everything possible to call the attention of Israeli government to what Biafra is actually going through. This is something that people expected from Finland, this kind of thing, because a country that know what persecution is all about, you would expect them to at least to do something to recognize or to come for rescue, to rescue people that are going through this kind of persecution like Biafrans have been going through. But Finland own decided to do otherwise. But this lady, who happened to be an Israeli woman, is now doing something very, very important. And DOS are not happy with that. Remember when she made that for the first move, they jumped out and started claiming that she actually, did not keep quiet. She voiced out and said, no, I don't know anything about you guys. You are not working with me and all that. If not, DOS would have claimed that they are the one pushing the Biafran issue to Israel's government. For those of them that ask questions, they're asking, what is Masoka did not do anything and all that, that DOS are the one, especially the law of Nika Chimese, that's her being her merchant. She always trying to elevate DOS for people to see them as the best group, and they are doing everything to get this, to keep the Biafra moving. This woman understand that she understand that DOS are grabbers. They don't joke with anything good. They want to attach themselves to that, but they're actually lazy, or they don't. Maybe not lazy. Maybe they don't just want Biafra to come, but they want to use Biafra issue as a yardstick for money making. They want to use that to make money. Now, Mike Arnold, okay, is now, saying something in line with what people should say, or saying things the way it should be. Remember, some time ago, he somehow criticized the pattern which Biafrans are seeking for their independence and freedom. And then I don't think he paid more attention to understand journey so far. Maybe he was watching from afar. Even at this moment, he's still not convincing anybody, okay, that he truly understands what is going on. Because I noticed that he's kind of working with Kano, Masmekano siblings, which is not actually okay to me, because Kano is not helping any issue. But let's just wait and see how the whole thing will unfold. Now, a lot of people are trying to understand what Makano actually wanted. Is he saying that the Afrans don't know what they want? But he said he made a post recently about Sokoto declaration, and that Sokoto declaration triggered some people. When he made it, they don't have issue with that. And all of a sudden, they now have issue with that. You know what I mean? So a lot is going on, but to me, I would advise every genuine Biafrans to keep calm. Do not just rush out and begin to attack. Understand what is going on. USB, they are actually very, very focused, seeking for recognition and doing what they should do, or what is expected of them to achieve. Despite all the sabotage, it is not easy. That's why you need to calm down and wait for things to unfold by itself naturally. You understand? Now, this lady, Rachel, made this post, okay, in appreciation to Mike Arnold. Okay, she made this post that you are seeing on the screen, and let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for you to, yeah, there you go. She said, as you can see on the screen, she said, Dear Mike Arnold, I want to thank you for exposing the evil that is happening in Nigeria. Thank you for standing with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you for helping Biafrans in their struggle for freedom. I know how much I know how much Biafran is there to you. Know that many Biafrans appreciate you. This lady, she married a Biafran, all right? But you can see she's far away in Israel. She understands what appreciation is all about. She knew that Mike Arnold is not doing this for any selfish interest, anything at all. But go and see what Sona Pakarawa and their group are doing, attacking the man. In as much as you are yet to understand fully what they actually meant, what they're trying to do by Sokoto Declaration, you don't just come out, begin to attack. You should understand it first. Then you can politely ask questions in that regard. Remember, some time ago, McCannott made a post where he criticized the activities of Biafrans, and he was trying to side Middle Belterners and Plateau people, other minority group in the north. There's a part where he said you just want to have your own and go to hell with other people, something like that. I was not happy with the post, but I later realized that maybe he's not fully aware of what is going on. Just like currently, he's not fully understand what Biafra have done in Finland and the outcome of that. Because a lot of sabotage, people who went to Finland are the one, interviewing him and saying the different thing now. Okay? I just want to use the opportunity to share this with you so that you understand that Nahioma Nelowia. In as much as you have issue with Mike Arnold as a Biafran, you should appreciate him. That's like Neto Wayakin and Kogwaro. We can what also. Sometime in life, you need to praise somebody for the person to show you his best. But if you begin to unleash attack on the person, I think I'm not saying you should not criticize anything that is wrong. You have the right to do that. But let it just allow you to mature, to get to the point, for you to have a reason to do that kind of criticism. Now, if you don't have any reason, then of what reason are you attacking something that you don't understand? Why can't you not ask for clarity on that thing before you cannot criticize it? Do you understand? That's exactly what I'm talking about. And after she made this post, all right, people begin to comment on that. Let's see the comment on that and see if there's anyone criticizing Mike Arnold under that. I Lloyd Marco, of course, commented and said, I concur with this post. Again, many thanks, Mike Arnold. Your good works are written in the gold and each in the minds of those you thought for. Then he said again, this person said, autopilot lead by Kano Takano is hustling Mike Arnold like a they might think Mike Arnold is a novice. Aloy Ejimako, a green snake in a green grass. Look at these people. People that hate Mike Arnold are two groups, DOS and Ogekere group. Is it a coincidence? No. Of course, Canada Kano, okay, the person, this was screenshot Canada Kano and post here and all that. Canada Kano have never for once, he have never been in autopilot. For record, I'm saying it for records purpose. My friend, if there was a time to stand up and speak through, it is now. The momentum is shifting our direction. Behold, be bold, he said. I don't know who this person is referring to. Oscar said, if you know this green snake in green grass very well, you wouldn't mingle with him because he is under Nigerian government payroll. Okay? They always attach. This is the post that McConnell made some time ago. I think this post was January, March. He made this post on March 24, 2026. And that post, like I said, I am not bragging, but I think I am one of the, in fact, I must be one of those that criticize the post. I have not seen anybody criticizing or talk ill about this post. Ogegre group are now talking about it. A post made by when? Look at it, January, February, March. This is April has come and gone. We are now in May. So when he made this post was in March. Ogegre and all their era did not criticize this post. Just because the man has now, decimated them by calling them out, of course, saying it the way it's supposed to be. They are not going all gaga, going crazy. Imagine that. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Because they know they have to at least lay hands on something to get back at him. Because my kind of expose Ogekere. In fact, I may run another video on that because there's new things going on between Ogekere Camp and Mike Arnold. Very, very interesting. Now, let's quickly go to Mike Arnold's response to the post that I just shared with you from Rachel. So Mike Arnold has, he made a kind of a post to appreciate what Rachel said here. Let me go back a little bit. Yeah, here we go. So Mike Arnold screenshot he shared this post from Rachel Wosu, the Israeli Biafra Israeli lady. Mike Arnold said, "Thank you and God bless you." Very brief. Okay. Now we may talk about this again, but on a video about Ogekere, I will tell you something that I wanted to say here. The reason because it will make more sense, okay, in that video than here. So just hold it this way. And Mike Arnold is, Mike Arnold is doing a very wonderful job. We have to appreciate him. So far, so good. Until we understand what he actually meant by Sokoto Declaration. Like I am open to learn new things, to know what that actually represent and what they intend to achieve by that. Please make sure you like the video. Why, you may ask, why do I want to know? Because Biafra have been redeclared and it's expected of Mike Arnold and people like him and Captain Khan and Lord Ejimako, all these people to rally around the Biafra that has been declared after self-referendum to do the needful. That this separation and everybody dragging each other is not what we actually need. But like I said, until we understand fully what he actually wants to achieve by Sokoto Declaration, I don't need to attack what I don't know. I have to understand it and to know the intention reason behind that declaration they were talking about. Then I can now say something about it. Maybe those attacking him, maybe they have maybe they have said something about it. But like I said, Biafrans stand with USB government, and that is where it's supposed to be, how it's supposed to be. Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Please don't forget to share and you put your comment. Very, very important. See you again. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.